In this video, you'll learn how to reset your Emergent AI password. By following these steps, you will regain access to your account quickly and efficiently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type google.com and press enter. This will take you to the Google homepage where you can perform a search. Next, in the Google search bar, type Emergent AI and hit enter again. The search results will populate on your screen, displaying various links related to Emergent AI. Once the results appear, locate the link titled Emergent Build Apps with AI and click on it. This will direct you to the official Emergent AI website where you can access your account settings. After the page loads, look for the option labeled Continue with Email and click on it. This will guide you to the login section of the site. Now, click on the Sign In button to proceed to the login interface. If you are already signed in, you may need to log out first to access the password reset option. Once you are on the Sign In page, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This link is specifically designed to help users who need to reset their passwords. After clicking the link, you will be redirected to a new page. Look for the prompt that says enter the email address associated with your account, and we'll send you a link to reset your password. Type in the email address linked to your Emergent AI account. It is essential to ensure that this email is correct to receive the reset link. Next, locate and click the Send Reset Link button. After this action, a confirmation message will typically appear indicating that the reset link has been sent to your email. Now, open a new tab in your browser. In this new tab, navigate to your email provider's website, such as Gmail, to check for the reset email. Once you are in your inbox, look for an email from Emergent AI. Click on this email to open it and find the reset password instructions. In the email, find and click on the reset password link. This will redirect you to a secure page where you can create a new password for your account. On this page, click on the Create New Password button. This will prompt you to enter a new password that meets the specified requirements. Next, you will see a field that says Enter your new password below. Make sure it's at least 8 characters, including a number and uppercase letter. Type your new password into this field. After entering your new password, you will need to retype it in the confirmation field. This ensures that you have input the password correctly. Finally, click on the Reset Password button to finalize the process. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.